Hey, are you there? I have a little announcement. We've launched a new game. I'm sure those goats won't run away this time. Well, they can escape with your help, of course. There's only one way to find this out. If you are watching us on your phone or tablet right now, click here first, then here, and download our game. There you go! Saving the goats is in your hands now.
KONDOSAN.
One of the best times of the year is here again. Trees are decorated, food is prepared, gifts are wrapped. Everyone is happy and excited, making the final preparations. The wolf, on the other hand, was sitting under the big tree in the square, looking at the gift boxes.
I'm curious if I could take a peek. Remote control car! Oh, great! Well, let's see what this is. Yay! A train! My favorite toy!
Wolf, what are you doing?
Oops! Hi, artist. I'm taking a peek at the gifts.
But you can't look at your gift now.
I have no gift.
How come? Why not?
I was a little naughty this year. You know, there are no gifts for those who have been naughty.
Oh dear, what did you do? Did you take something without permission?
The wolf immediately thought of the eggs he took from the coop.
Well, we can say something like that.
Oh, Wolf. But don't be upset. You haven't said anything bad to anyone.
Wolf thought about the bad things he said throughout the year.
But they deserve it.
Okay then. Didn't you help anybody?
You remember the day Zebra fell down?
Yes.
I laughed at him.
But that doesn't count as a good deed.
But everyone says laughing brings joy.
Yes, if you laugh together it does, you goofball.
I told you, I was a little mischievous this year. That's why there's no gift for me.
Oh man, so you were taking everybody else's gifts.
I wasn't taking them, no. I was just picking a little. I fancied them a lot.
No way! Look, that's why you're on the naughty list. Actually, we have time until midnight. The year is not over yet. Maybe you can be off the naughty list.
How? Let's do it then. Please, please.
Come with me.
Artist Goat took Wolf to the coop.
Artist, I told you. They don't want me here.
Dear chickens, Wolf wants to tell you something.
Well, I apologize for taking your eggs without permission.
That's great, Wolf.
Are you sure this will work?
Come with me. Don't give up just yet. Zebra! Zebra!
Yes, artist.
Wolf has something to say to you.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for laughing at you the other day.
Oh, never mind. It was really funny actually. I laughed so hard afterward. It's not a big deal.
That day, Wolf apologized for what he had done throughout the year. Then he ran under the big tree on the farm and started reading the names on the gift boxes.
This is for lion, this is for zebras, this is for genius, and this is for musician. No, no, no!
He started to get sadder and sadder. There was no gift for him.
This is so unfair! If I only got a little teensy-weensy gift!
Artist Goat was watching Wolf from afar. She felt sorry for the wolf and went back home.
What happened? What's wrong, dear? Mom, nobody bought a gift for the wolf because he was mischievous this year. I'm a little sad for him. Ah, how did we forget about him? We were so busy with dinner preparations. So it's not because he was naughty? Oh, no, honey. We all misbehave sometimes. But that doesn't stop us from loving each other. Haven't you been naughty this year?
The little goat thinks about it, and there were moments when she was not so proud. So, Artist went from door to door in the farm and asked for help to get a gift for Wolf.
This will be great!
Artist wrapped the gift she purchased with the money she collected and then put Wolf's picture on the box. While everyone was having fun in the square, it's time to start the countdown for the new year.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Everyone started opening their gifts excitedly, except Wolf. He sat in a corner, watching everyone happily unwrapping boxes. Artist called out his name.
Hey, Wolf! You wouldn't believe it, but there's a gift for you too! Yes, definitely! This gift is for you!
Is this for me? For real? Yay!
Open it up. Let's see what's inside.
But I was very naughty. How could this be?
It's from all of us, Wolf. This does not stop us from loving you. You're also funny. You play games with us, and you take us on different adventures. You learn from your mistakes.
Yes, I'm funny and adventurous. Thank you very much. Let me see the box. No sound. A little heavy. I wonder what it is.
The wolf carefully opened the box, and a big smile grew on his face.
This! Super Turbo Sonic Tablet 2021! Now I can play our games! Happy New Year, everyone!
Hey, guys, help! The wolf trapped us in balloons. Press here, then here on your phone or tablet. Download our game and rescue us. We are waiting for you.
Hey guys! Subscribe to our channel KONDOSAN and watch the most popular fairy tales, cartoons, and nursery rhymes. Don't forget to click the bell for notifications.